Hola! In this video I'll show how to access cloud recordings from the unt.zoom.us site. So let's go there first. Momentito. Okay, so from here I was able to access it by going to sign in, configure your account, and then I scheduled a meeting here. And then when I scroll down, I was able to see automatically record meeting here. The default is on the local computer, so what you want to do is record it in the cloud and then save that. And that way you'll be emailed a link to the recording after your meeting is done. And that might also send out a link to all of your students. I'm pretty sure it will since it's going through the UNT site. What I do to avoid that is I go to, let me close this out. I access my Zoom account through the regular, it's my UNT account, but I access it through Zoom and not unt.zoom.us. And then when I do my meetings here, I'll get the same option. It's actually the default to be in the cloud when you go through their website. I would save that, and it would send only me the link after the meeting is done to the recording, and then my students would not be sent the link. So I often do that option if I don't want the students to get the link. And I think through one of those ways you should be able to access the cloud recording, but please let me know if that's not the case. Thanks. Adios.